Hello viewers, today we will dive deep into the world of exfoliation with the ingredients all free from synthetic chemicals. We will also learn to make its recipe. But before starting, do you actually have an idea on? Don't worry, I'm here to help you out. Over time, dirt and impurities, along with white and blackheads, gets accumulated on the outermost layer of our skin, known as epidermis. If we don't get rid of this, then it could make our skin appear dull and dead. So, removal of these unwanted guests from the skin requires friction or rubbing that can induce some kind of pressure. And to deliver this pressure, exfoliating tools are employed. Basically, they are of two types. The first one is chemical exfoliators. This includes peeling gel, scrubs, chemicals such as AHAs and BHAs. Those are hydroxyase acids. The chemicals present adhere to the dead skin cells that can easily rinsed away. On the other hand, we have physical exfoliators. These consist of brushes, both mechanical and non-mechanical. Today in market, there are n number of exfoliating tools available. So viewers, this overall process of removing dead skin cells with the help of exfoliating tools are known as exfoliation. Hope you have understood it. But wait. Oh, this brainy hasn't. Because the curious brainy is coming back. Now in the upcoming slides, we will focus on two highly effective exfoliants from nature. And I must tell you, these two ingredients have their own stories. Without waiting any further, let's start. Our first exfoliant is from the Stone Age era. It's a well-known cereal. Yes, it's oats. In the Stone Age, our ancestors may not have had access to elaborate skincare routines, but they discovered that oats have remarkable soothing and healing properties when applied to the skin. And if we talk about this present day, oats are considered to be one of the most effective exfoliants due to its naturally coarse texture, which makes them effective at physically removing dead skin cells. To use this ingredient in our recipe, we have to coarse grind it. Please remember and do not grind oats into very fine particles. Rough texture will perform efficiently in removing dead skins. In contrast with oats, we have another exfoliant that offers a bunch of benefits for the skin, from fighting free radicals to brightening dull complexions. It's cranberries. These berries provide a gentle yet effective exfoliation, leaving the skin smooth, supple, and rejuvenated. Now we will grind the cranberries also and we'll make a paste. We are ready with the oats and Cranberries. Viewers, if you are thinking that this oats will suit your skin type or not, then let me tell you. Oats have some excellent properties for moisture retention, and it also balances pH of the skin very well, so you don't need to worry. Our next supportive ingredient is honey. It contains antibacterial properties that can help inhibit the growth of acne-causing bacteria, making it beneficial for acne-prone skin. It also acts as a gentle exfoliant. After honey, we have lemon juice. The acidic nature of this juice acts as a mild exfoliant, helping in removal of dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, resulting in smoother, fresher looking skin. Next on the list, we have almond oil. It has deep moisturization, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and soothing properties. By this, we have collected all the ingredients to make the recipe. But remember, among all the ingredients, oats is like the king of exfoliant. Let's jump on the recipe part. Start with taking 2 teaspoons of cranberry paste. Then add 2 teaspoons of oats coarse powder. Then add half tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of curd, and then 1 teaspoon of honey. Followed by 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Mix all the ingredients very well. We are now ready with the application part. Before applying, make sure the surface of your skin is clean. Take a generous amount and start massaging with your fingers for a good 3 minutes. Make sure you apply sufficient pressure. Try to give it a continuous massage for 3 minutes. After that, apply a thick layer and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes is over, just rinse it off. Trust me guys, your skin is going to love this. Usually after exfoliating process, our skin becomes dry and rough due to the friction. But if you will use this, you will find the difference and you will notice a super moisturization in your skin. Just don't believe on my words. Give it a try and see it by yourself. Hi viewers, hope you have liked this video on exfoliation. I hope to see you all very soon with my next video. But before that, I'm super excited to know your comments below. So please do share some love by liking it, subscribing it, sharing it and commenting on it. Until we meet next time, please do take care of yourself and stay radiant.